Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 4 maths. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 4 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter triangles and quadrilaterals, and the lessons are classify triangles, then classify quadrilaterals. We'll start the chapter fractions, equivalence and ordering then. And the lessons we're going to cover are understanding fractions word problems and fractions review. So let's just start with the chapter triangles and quadrilaterals. Okay, here I am on grade 4 maths. The chapter we're working on is triangles and quadrilaterals. So let's just start with the lesson classify triangles. Okay, what kind of triangle is this? You are given a triangle. One of the angle is 90 degree and the rest of the two angles are less than 90 degree. So whenever a triangle has an angle that measures exactly 90 degree, that triangle is called the right angle triangle. Got it? So this one, the first one is the right angle triangle. Okay, the next one is, what kind of triangle is this? Here I am on the second one. You can see the triangles. You can see the angles measure 54 degrees, 78 degrees, and 48 degrees. So all the angles are less than 90 degrees. So whenever we have a triangle like this, the triangle is known as acute triangle. When all the three angles are less than 90 degree, it would be the acute triangle. Got it? Okay, what kind of triangle is this? 40 degree, 99 degree, and 41 degree. So here one of the angle is greater than 90. You can see 99. So whenever you have a triangle in which one of the angle is greater than 90 degree, the triangle is known as obtuse triangle. Got it? So we have learned three types of the triangle. One of them is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle is the one in which one of the angle is exactly 90 degrees. Got it? That would be the right angle triangle. Then the other one is acute triangle. Acute triangle is the one that has all the angles less than 90 degree. That would be the acute triangle. Then the obtuse triangle is the one that has one of the angle that would be greater than 90 degrees, the obtuse triangle. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, is this triangle isosceles? Isosceles triangle is the one that has all three sides equal in length and all the angles. Got it? So no, this one is not the isosceles triangle. The answer is no. That would be the obtuse triangle. Okay, is this triangle scalene? Basically, isosceles, scalene, and I forgot the name of the third type. They are the triangles that are according to the length of the sides. Got it? The obtuse, acute, and right angles are the one that are classified according to the angles. Got it? So it would be no, not scalene. Mm, that would be quadrilateral triangle. Okay, what kind of triangle is this? Scalene, isosceles, but not equilateral. So which is the correct option? Equilateral, not quadrilateral. Sorry. This is not scalene. That would be isosceles triangle, but not equilateral. The second option is the correct option. That would be isosceles, but not equilateral. Got it? Okay, what kind of triangle is this? Right or acute? Which is the correct option? Yes, equilateral, isosceles, and scalene. Yes, this triangle is acute triangle. All the angles are less than 90 degrees, so it would be acute triangle. Yes, very cute triangle. Okay, what kind of triangle is this? Isosceles but not equilateral, or scalene, which is the correct option? Yes, that would be isosceles but not equilateral, because two of the angles are equal in Meyer, so it would be isosceles but not equilateral. Okay, what kind of triangle is this? Equilateral or right angle triangle? Sorry, acute or right angle triangle? Acute? It would be right angle triangle. You can see one of the angle is exactly 90 degrees, so that would be right angle triangle. Option 2 is the correct one. Okay, what kind of triangle is this? Isosceles but equilateral, but not equilateral or scalene, which is the correct option? Yes, that would be option number 1. That is a isosceles triangle, but not the equilateral. Option number 1 is the correct option, because two of the angles are equal in Meyer. What kind of triangle is this? Acute, obtuse? That would be obtuse triangle. Got it? Because one of the angle is greater than 90 degree. Here it is. So you can see it would be the obtuse angle. What is this triangle? Is this triangle equilateral? Yes, it is. All the three sides equal in length, so that would be equilateral triangle. The correct option is yes. Okay, is this triangle isosceles? Is this triangle isosceles? No, this is not the isosceles. Isosceles triangle is the one that would. Is this triangle scalene? No, it would not be scalene. We are working on the classifying triangles. Okay, listen to me carefully. We are working on the classifying triangles, so you can classify a triangle on the basis of the angles and on the basis of the side lengths. Got it? So it would be three types of the triangles we have according to these angles and side lengths. They are scalene, isosceles, and equilateral triangle. And the other one is right angle triangle, acute angle, and obtuse angle. So see, in this triangle, two of the angles are exactly equal, 49 and 49. And the question is this triangle scalene? No, this is not scalene. For the scalene triangle, two of the sides are two of the side lengths are equal in Meyer. So the answer is no. For this one, the correct option is no. Like, look at this one. What kind of triangle is this? You can see you are given with all the three angles, 90 degrees, 44 degrees, and 46 degree. So in the triangle, when you have the angle that measures exactly 90 degrees, that means that would be the right angle triangle. So the given triangle is right angle triangle, because one of the angle is exactly 90 degree here. So it would be the right angle triangle. Okay, what kind of triangle is this? Just look at the all the angles, 47 degrees, 53 degrees, and 80 degrees. So all the three angles are less than 90 degrees. When you have a triangle like this in which all the three angles are less than 90 degrees, that means the triangle is an acute triangle. When all three angles are less than 90 degree, it would be the acute triangle. Is this triangle equilateral? No, this is not the equilateral triangle. Got it? The answer is no, this is not. What is equilateral triangle? Equilateral triangle is the one that has all three sides equal in Meyer. So they have all three sides different in Meyer, 17, 14, and 19. So this type of the triangle is known as scalene triangle. Got it? When the triangle has all three sides different in length, it would be the scalene triangle. So this one is not equilateral, it would be the scalene triangle. Got it? So the three types of the triangle are scalene, isosceles, and equilateral. That would be according to the side lengths and angle. If all three angles and all three side lengths are same, that would be scalene. If two of the sides or two of the angles are same and one of them is different, it would be isosceles. If all the three sides are different, that would be equilateral. So yes, that would be equilateral, not, sorry, equilateral means means equal. So if all the three side lengths are equal, it would be equilateral. Okay, what kind of triangle is this? Just look at the angles 78, 63, and 39. All the three angles are less than 90 degrees, so they all are the, so the triangle is scalene or equilateral. All three angles are different in Meyer, so it would be scalene triangle. 78, 63, 39. All three angles are different in Meyer, so it would be the scalene triangle. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. Yes, it would be scalene. Okay, the next one is classify quadrilaterals. Let's just start with the next lesson. So, is this shape a square? The first example is no, this is not the square because it is a three-sided shape. It would be a triangle. Square must have four sides. So, it is not the square. Got it? Okay, then the second one is this shape a square? No, again, this is not a square. Square has all four sides equal in Meyer, and also all the angles in a square are right angles. All of them must be 90 degrees. Got it? The next one is the shape a rhombus? No, this is not a rhombus. Yes, this is not a rhombus because it has sides that are different in Meyer. Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, is this shape a parallelogram? No, this isn't a parallelogram. Got it? Parallelogram has opposite sides parallel equal in Meyer, so this would not be a parallelogram. What words describe the shape? Choose all that apply. Quadrilateral or parallelogram, which is the correct option? Yes, that would be quadrilateral. Basically, quad means four. So it's a four-sided shape, so it would be quadrilateral, not parallelogram. So square is a quadrilateral. Quad means four. Got it? What words describe the shape? Choose all that apply. Which is the correct option? Square or quadrilateral? Yes, again, that would be quadrilateral. It has four sides. So a four-sided shape is known as quadrilateral. Quad means four, so it would be quadrilateral. It is not a square, but it has four sides, so it would be quadrilateral. Is this shape a square? No, this isn't a square. Square has all four sides equal in length, so this wouldn't be a square. Although it has all the angles, right angle triangles, but it isn't a square. Is this shape a rhombus? No, this is not a rhombus. Okay, is this shape a square? No, this isn't a square. It's a parallelogram. Is this shape a square? No, this is not a square. So the answer is no. Is this shape a quadrilateral? No, this is not the quadrilateral. It's a three-sided shape. It would be a triangle, not the quadrilateral. Is this shape a rectangle? No, this is not the rectangle. Is this shape a rhombus? No, it is not a rhombus. Is this shape a square? No, 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 that wouldn't be a. No, this is not a square. Is this shape a rhombus? No, it wouldn't be a rhombus. Is this shape a square? No, it wouldn't be a square. Is this shape a parallelogram? No, this is not a parallelogram. Is this shape a parallelogram? No, it wouldn't be a parallelogram. Is this shape a rhombus? No, this is not the rhombus. Hmm. Rhombus has all four sides equal in length. No, it wouldn't be a rhombus. Here is a mistake on this page. Okay, is this shape a square? It would be no. Is this shape a square? No. Is this shape a quadrilateral? Yes, it's a four-sided shape, so it would be a quadrilateral. The correct option is yes. Okay, we are done with the lesson. Also, we are done with the chapter. Triangles and quadrilaterals. Let's just move on to the next chapter. We're going to start the new chapter that would be equivalence, fractions, equivalence, and ordering, I think. Let me, it would be fraction, equivalence, and ordering. Let's just start with the next lesson. Okay, let's just start with the first fraction and the first lesson, understanding fractions with problems. Let's just start with the lesson. So let's just start with the first example. Just listen to me carefully, everyone, please. Okay, there were 7 apples on a tree in the yard. Two fell off the tree. What fraction of the apple fell off? So, which is the correct option? It would be 2 out of 7 because the total apples are 7, and out of the 7, 2 of the apples are 2 of the apples fell off the tree. So, it would be 2 out of 7. 2 out of 7 apples fell off the tree. Got it? You have to write down the answer in the fractional form. So, you have to write down 2 out of 7. Okay, the next one is 8 students went to the zoo. 7 of them saw the penguins. What fraction of the students saw the penguins? So you have to write down the numerator, you have to write down the one who saw the penguins, and in the denominator, you have to write down the total students. That means 7 out of 8 saw the penguins. Got it? Okay, the next one is there were 8 squirrels in a tree, 4 ran away. What fraction of the squirrels ran away? It will be 4 out of 8. Got it? And when you write down the answer in the simplest form, you can divide both numerator and denominator by the common factor. That would be 2. So it would be then 1 over 2. Let's just start with the test questions. There were 2 swans in a lake. One flew away. What fraction of the swans were left? So which is the correct option? Yes, that would be 1 out of 2 because one flew away and you have already 2. So one flew away, you're left with 1. So it would be 1 out of 2. Got it? There are 8 mailboxes on a Clayton street. 3 of the mailboxes are silver. What fraction of the mailboxes are silver? So which is the correct option? No, I'm going to block the one who is creating disturbance in the chat. Don't worry. So which is the correct option? Yes, it would be 3 out of 8. The total mailbox are 8 and 8 out of 3 out of 8 are the silver. So the correct option is 3 out of 8. Anna arranged 3 flowers in a vase. She used 1 rose, but fraction of the flowers were roses. So which is the correct option? It would be 1 out of 3. Got it? Because the total flowers are 3 and out of the 1 is rose. So it would be 1 out of 3 is the rose. Got it? There were 5 frogs on a log. 2 hopped away. What fraction of the frogs were left? So which is the correct option? The total frogs are 5 and 2 hopped away. So 5 minus 2 is 3. You are left with 3. And 3 out of 5 you are left with. Very good. That would be 3 out of 5. Okay. Venda saw 10 crabs in an aquarium. One of the crabs was orange. What fraction of the crabs were orange? So which is the correct option? So it would be 1 out of 10. Good. 8 students went to the zoo. Seven of them saw the penguins. What fraction of the students were saw the what fraction of the students saw the penguins? Which is the correct option? Yes, it would be 7 out of 8. Option number 1 is the correct option. There are 7 apples on a tree in the yard. 2 fell off the tree. What fraction of the apple fell off? Yes, it would be 2 out of 7. Got it. So the correct option is option number 1. It would be 2 out of 7. Eric made 7 lemon bars. He put powdered sugar on 3 of the lemon bars. What fraction of the lemon bars had powdered sugar? That would be 3 out of 7. Got it. The correct option is 3 out of 7. There were 4 marbles on a table. One rolled off onto the floor. What fractions of the marble rolled off the table? Which is the correct option? It would be 1 out of 4. What do you mean by you make me mad? There were 8 squirrels in a tree. 4 ran away. What fraction of the squirrels were left? It would be it would be 4 over 8 and that equals. No, he didn't. I deleted his message. Also, I'm going to block him from the channel. Don't worry. I'm tired of such rude students. I am not here to deal with them. I am just here to explain the things. So don't worry. There were 6 pieces of paper on the table. 4 blew away. What fraction of the pieces of paper were left? So which is the correct option? 1 over 3. 4 over 6. No, 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 no. It would be either 2 over 3 or either 4 over 6. This isn't the correct option. Got it? 4 over 6, when you divide them by the common number, it would be, you can see here. It would be actually 4 over 6. You can divide them by the common factor 2. It would be then 2 times 2 is 4 and 2 times 3 is 6. It would be either 2 by 3 or either 4 by 6. Got it? You are not given with the correct options here. It would be 2 over 3 or 4 over 6. Got it? They are, both of them are not the correct options. You are not given the correct option here. Got it? It would be 2 over 3 actually. Okay, there are 6 cars parked at Stanley Street. 5 of the cars are red. What fractions of the car are red? Which is the correct option? Okay, that's great. It would be 5 out of 6. Very good. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. The next lesson is fractions review. Let's just start with the lesson. What's wrong with the lesson? Okay, what fraction does the number line show? So, which is the correct option? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The total segments are 6. And it would be 4 out of 6. And when you convert the answer into simplest form, it would be 2 out of 3. Okay, what fraction of the octagons are blue? Which is the correct option for the second one? You have to count the total octagons first. Yes, it would be 12 and only one of them is blue, so it would be 1 over blue. Got it? Okay, the next one is what fraction of the fish are not blue? So which is the correct option? One out of 42, 1 out of 12 it is. The total fishes are 10 and 9 out of them are not blue, so it would be 9 over 10. Got it? Let's just start with the practice questions. What fractions of the pair of scissors are not pink? So which is the correct option? 2 of them are pink and not pink are 8. It would be 8 out of 10. And when you write down the answer in simpler form, it would be 4 over 5. So the correct option is 4 over 5. It would be 4 out of 5. What does what fraction does the number line show? Which is the correct option? It would be 8 out of 12. Yes, that would be 2 out of 3. You can divide them. 2 out of 3 is the correct option. You can count from 0 to the dot they are 8, and from dot to 1 they are 4. That means the total are 12, so it would be 8 over 12, and you can divide them by 4, so it would be 2 over 3. The correct option is 2 over 3. What fraction of the number line what fraction does the number line show, which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? Yes, it would be 3 out of 6, and when you write down the answer in the simplest form, it would be 1 over 2. What fraction of the what fraction does the number line show, which is the correct option? It would be 1 out of 12. Yes, there are 12 segments, and the first one is the dotted one, so it would be 1 out of 12. What fraction of the octagons are blue, which is the correct option? Yes, it would be just 1 out of 12 octagon. What fraction of the fishes are not blue, which is the correct option? It would be 9 out of 10. You can see that total fishes are 9, and out of the 9, just one of them is blue. Basically, the answer would be 9 out of 10, but you are not given the correct option here. Okay, what fraction does the number line show, which is the correct option? It will be 2 out of 3. Very good. Okay, we are done with the lesson. You can complete the test by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 4 maths. The chapter we were working started with the triangles and quadrilaterals, and the lessons we have covered are no, not 4 over 7, it would be 2 over 3. Okay, I move on to it would be 2 over 3, not 4 over 7. The lessons are classify triangles and classify quadrilaterals. Then we've started the new chapter, that is fraction equivalence and ordering. The lessons we have covered are understanding fractions word problems and fractions review. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. And thank you all for behaving so well. And thank you for the one who are behaving so rude. Because this way we know which students are nice and which one are rude. You are showing yourself. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.